Welcome back to Tech Solutions Info. Over here we bring solutions to your tech challenges. Today we are going to teach you how to assign shortcut key combinations to an application on any Windows computer. Let's get into it. So in this video we are going to assign a shortcut key combination to VLC Media Player. Right-click the icon of the application you want to assign a shortcut to and click Properties. On the Properties window, click Shortcut. Now click the shortcut key box indicated as None and hit any letter or number key on the keyboard to assign the shortcut combination. Automatically, when you hit the key you want to assign the shortcut to, Control and Alt will be added as the combination keys. So in this illustration, we assign V to VLC Media Player. Therefore, if we press Control, Alt, and V together, the combination will launch VLC Media Player. We are going to hit the key combinations to launch the VLC Media right away. So as you can see, VLC Media Player has been launched successfully. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, share to a friend who needs to see, subscribe and comment down below a problem you need us to help you fix.